Hi everyone, I am Pranvi Dalawat. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share a makeup tutorial which I generally do at the daytime. But before that, always remember to clean your skin, to tone your skin, to use serum for your skin and also to moisturize your skin. It is a very important procedure before you start doing makeup on your skin. To start the makeup, सबसे पहले we'll use the primer. If you can see, this is Miss Claire primer and my skin tone, according to my skin tone, the color is 02 beige primer. So I would just take a little on my hand and I'll start applying. So now second step is to conceal your skin or maybe hide these dark spots which you can very easily see on my skin. Also the forehead has become very dark due to tanning and all. Also never forget the side of your lips. It's very important that you conceal them also because of most of the time it's really dark. Also slight I'll be using under my eye. As you can see, I'm having dark circles, so it's important that I hide that also. Okay, that's sufficient. So maybe if you are using a puff, you can just use the tip of the puff and don't blend in more, as it will just be wiped out and we don't want to wipe out the concealer. We want to use it to correct our skin, right? Next step is I'm using Age Rewind of Maybelline. I don't know if you can see it. I'll be using on the top of the orange concealer, so somewhat it blends in with my skin tone. Afterwards, when I'll use the foundation, my whole face looks of the same tone. So So for eye makeup, I have made another video on smoky eyes. So if you want to watch that, please subscribe my channel. So now that we have finished with our eyeshadow, I am jumping onto the foundation. So basically, I am having two kinds of foundation. One which is liquid foundation and another which is stick foundation. So you can use both, whatever you feel like. I am using the stick foundation of Sugar and the liquid foundation of Bobbi Brown in the shade W046 Warm Beige, and this one is in the shade 27 Vienna. Okay, So I have used both and I feel both give me almost similar look, but this is more dewy as compared to this one, and it feels very light to the skin. So because it's a day makeup, for now I would be using Bobbi Brown. So let's quickly give it a shake. Take a slight amount on your hand. One puff is enough. Wetting the puff basically makes your makeup waterproof and long lasting. Now it's moist with water. I'll just take a little amount and I'll start applying it. It has a really great coverage, and so that's why a little amount goes long way. You can always check on with your foundation the coverage it gives before applying, so that you get an idea on how much foundation is needed to be applied on your face. So now we'll do contouring on the face. So I have this Bronze Glow contour. You can use any contour you have. I'll just do it here, somewhat here. Nose, right? And here. So it highlights my cheekbones. For contouring, I am using this brush. Now that contouring is done, I'll use a soft blush brush and I'll be doing using a pink blush. This is from brand Vogue in the shade 11 Rose. If you don't have a blush, you can always use your lipsticks and use them as your blush. So now rest of my makeup is done. I just need to slightly bake up my face, and so I am using a high definition face powder. This is a loose powder. I've almost finished it. Okay, so I'll just use slight and apply for baking my face. The baking up is really important as it settles up the makeup. After 15 minutes, I have just blended up, and now you can see. Okay, the eyebrows are left, so I use a Devis pencil. It comes with the brush. So what I do is I just apply it. Remember to apply according to your hair strokes. Okay, so now I have applied it, and using the brush I'll just blend it. I sometimes use this Bed Rouge highlighter. This is the packing, guys. I am using a flat fan brush. I'm also highlighting the center of my nose as I want to give that shine during the shoot. So I have highlighted the cheeks, this part of the brows, also the temples. So I'll be using a pink lipstick, and for that I am using a simple Davis pink lip liner. Using liners kind of defines your lips. And now I'll be using a Makeover Professional lip color in the shade 23, which is Magical Magenta. Slight gum. Take it a little on my finger. Just dab it here. To finish up the look, finally I am using a MAC Prep and Prime. You can use it before the makeup also as a primer, and also to finish up the makeup look. So just shake it well before use, and from a distance just spray it up. And it's done. So it will help the makeup stay long and also give that dewy look. That's it. We are done, and I feel the makeup is looking really nice. I hope you guys try it and let me know if you like it. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.